Take out the machine, install the operating handles and power cord. Put the diamond tips in place to use for later. Use cotton pad with cleansing oil to remove makeup. Take a proper face wash and lather up it with your palms. Then apply it to your face evenly and rub your face gently. Clean the face. Apply cotton pad with Blackhead export liquid to T-zone, or areas with enlarged pores, coarse skin, or blackheads. This is for 5 minutes. Please note, if your skin is sensitive, use warm water instead of Blackhead export liquid. Select a pointed tip, a round tip, and a big tip and install them to 3 handles separately. You must first install the black rubber ring to the handle. Then put the cotton filter inside the tips and install the tips to the handles. Please note, the cotton filter and the black rubber ring are musts. Take off the cotton pads on face. Select the round tip. Turn on the device. Adjust the section level. You can adjust the section level by twisting the knob. Twist it to the left to decrease the section, and twist it to the right to increase the section. There are more clogged pores around the nose, so begin with nose. Operate at the nose in a way of orientated twist to remove blackheads and mites. Do it for 2 to 3 times. Move downwards at nose to exfoliate keratinocytes. Do it for 2 to 3 times. Do not put the handle on the skin for more than 3 seconds, or skin will get red or purple marks. If you find the section level is too high or too low, you can adjust the section level anytime. Keep the operating area wet during the whole process. Then operate at the chin. If the operating area is dry, you can use wet cotton pad with warm water to wipe it first. Operate the handle in a way of orientated twist. Suck out the clogged fields, or you can also slide and operate. Double clean the groove beneath the nip. Keep it under 2 minutes. At last, operate at forehead. The skin around forehead is thinner, so the section level is advised to be low. You can operate in the way of orientated twist. Double clean the glabella for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn off the device. Replace the tip with the pointed tip. Operate at the nasolabial folds. Gently press the nose with one hand. Then slide the tip along the nasolabial folds downwards from the nose wing. Do it for 3 to 5 times. If it is heavily clogged, you can suck and lift at the same time. Do it for 3 to 5 times. Turn off the device. Replace the tip with the big tip. Operate at the cheek and face. The section level is advised to be low, or facial skin will get red or purple marks. Operate at the cheek in the way of orientated twist for around 1 minute. Lift from jawline to earlobe, from mouth collar to ear gate, from nasolabial folds to cheek. Then lift the skin around the eyes. Do it for 1 time. Please note, lift with soft force to avoid pain or leaving red or purple marks. Do the same on the other side. Then operate at the forehead. Lift to the hairline, in parallel lines with one line next to another. Do it for 1 time. Take out the 3 glass tubes, flat tube for forehead, long tube for nose, bent tube for chin and cheek. Pull up the rubber hose from the wand. Select the long tube first. Slide to operate at nose to double the effect. This operation can suck out excess sebum, whiteheads, and clogged fields. Operate for 1 minute. Please note, there is a small round hole on the glass tube. Press the round hole with your thumb when operating. Release your thumb to stop. Select the bent tube and operate at the chin and cheek. Operate in the way of orientated twist for around 1 minute. Select the flat tube and operate at forehead. Slide at forehead for around 1 minute. Turn off the device. Clean the face. Apply toner to the whole face. Take out the sprayer. Fill the toner or watery essence in the bottle of the sprayer. Insert one end of the black or red rubber hose into the outlet of the device, and insert the other end into the connector of the sprayer. Take the sprayer and turn on the device. Press the round hole and the sprayer lead with your forefinger to spray. Operate upwards in circles with one line next to another, from chin to the temple. Operate for 1 time. You can use cotton pad to wipe out the remaining water. Then operate at forehead crosswise. Move in circular motions. Operate for 1 time. Slide up and down at the nose. Operate for 3 times. Please note, avoid spraying into eyes or nose. Turn off the device. Apply the hydrating facial mask. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove the facial mask and clean the face. Operate for 2 minutes. Apply toner. Do the skin care.